Tucked away high in the green hills of Addis Ababa sits one of the many campuses of the first and largest public higher education institution in Ethiopia, and indeed one of the largest universities in Africa, Addis Ababa University. Established as the University College of Addis Ababa on March 20th, 1950, it launched its humble program with 9 instructors and 71 students. It rapidly outgrew its premises and in 1962 expanded its facilities to include the donated palace of the former emperor and was renamed Haile Selassie I University. It was not long before it spawned other prominent institutions that have become universities on their own merit. In 1975, it was renamed Addis Ababa University and has since impressively increased its student population from 71 at its reception to more than 50,000 currently. The number of undergraduate programs now are 73, and graduate programs have reached 243, out of which 71 are at the PhD level. Another 23 are specialty certificate programs. To accommodate this unprecedented growth of programs, expansion and establishment of infrastructure and facilities has boomed in all 13 constituencies of the university. The university has set as its mission fostering a democratic university, enhancing Ethiopia's capacity in higher education, developing teaching and research programs relevant to sustainable development in Ethiopia, disseminating knowledge and results of research, nurturing gender and multicultural equality, preserving and enriching Ethiopia's natural and cultural heritages, pursuing research and teaching programs from distinctively African perspectives, and addressing challenges facing Africa, and extending special support to students with disabilities and to students coming from previously disadvantaged clusters and communities. To keep abreast of rapidly growing technology and information, Addis Ababa University has initiated transition in modality from discipline-specific to multidisciplinary graduate programs and from lecture-based to modular modes of graduate instruction. Responding to the needs of the communities and the industry, Addis Ababa University now considers community service as one of its core missions. Accordingly, all academic and professional units of the university are charged with organizing short-term trainings, consultancy services, and outreach programs based on available knowledge, innovation, and skills. Furthermore, Addis Ababa University greatly values collaboration and partnership with other higher education institutions, think tanks, the industry, and donor agencies at local, regional, and international levels. The newly proposed university structure consists of 10 colleges, 7 research institutes, and 3 teaching institutes. The 10 colleges are comprised of 10 schools, 11 centers, and 62 departments. The Ethiopian Studies Museum displays an impressive collection of traditional artifacts, tools, and historical manuscripts. The herbarium has a rich assortment of mummified plants and wild animals, including those that are endemic to Ethiopia. Library services at the university offer more than 60 main units. Dispersed among them are 15 reading rooms and 2 lending rooms. 11 of the libraries give 24-hour service with spot reading, book lending, and reservation. The rest offer services for 12 hours per day. By opening a disability center, Addis Ababa University is a pioneer in catering to the needs of the physically challenged. As a leader in community services, the university is very much involved in such diverse matters as environmental protection, women empowerment, health services, animal husbandry, and so forth. Thus far, the university boasts an impressive list of scholars who provided leadership over the years. Through its Honors Award program, the university recognizes distinguished scholars and personalities for their altruism and service to the society and to the world at large. To name a few among them, some distinguished awardees include Haile Gebrselassie, the world's greatest athlete; Lee Myung-bak, former president of the Republic of South Korea; Catherine Hamlin, medical doctor and founder of the Fistula Hospital in Ethiopia; Mahmoud Mamdani, eminent African scholar and cosmopolitan public intellectual; Thabo Mbeki, former president of the Union of South Africa and renowned veteran of the fight against apartheid. With a visionary motto, quote, "Together we can scale the heights of excellence," end quote, Addis Ababa University is poised with confidence to boldly address strategic issues and develop deliberate strategies for achieving its mission of uplifting an ancient nation to meet the imperatives of democracy.